So welcome to the precursor of Finance Mantras for Startups, a hybrid event being organized by V-Spark Startup Association, popularly known as VESA, in Gurgaon on March 20th. By hybrid event, we mean that this event is being organized physically for selected participants, those who can come, and then it shall also be available live on Facebook for all those who may not be able to attend the event in person. We have lined up marvelous speakers for the event. Now, let me first invite young and dynamic Gulshan Sharma, founder of Falhari, an F&B startup that delivers fresh fruits and yogurt on a subscription basis. And let's hear from Gulshan. What is he going to share on the event day?
Hi, Sarita. So फंड रेजिंग एक स्टार्टअप के लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। हम लोगों ने कोलैटरल फ्री लोन रेज करा इंडियन बैंक से, देन फिर फर्दर एंजल नेटवर्क से, एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स से। सो मैं यही शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि क्या चीजें करनी चाहिए और क्या नहीं करनी चाहिए फंड रेजिंग के लिए, क्या हेल्पफुल रहेगा लोगों के लिए। तो यही सब मैं अपनी जर्नी शेयर करूंगा। थैंक यू।
Awesome, गुलशन। आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों को का ये मानना है कि लोन रेज करना या फिर फंडिंग लेना अपने स्टार्टअप के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस उनको बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा। नाउ लेट मी क्विकली आस्क आवर नेक्स्ट स्पीकर मनीष दास। ही इज फाउंडर ऑफ Skilllancer Solar, which has recently raised 3.5 crore from Venture Catalyst, and earlier also the startup has managed to raise seed fund. So Manish, can you share with us what are you going to talk about on the 20th?
Yes, absolutely. And I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity. So so I'll be briefly talking about the journey of ours, which people can correlate with theirs. So basically we started from very scratch, right? And the challenges which we faced since we are from a manufacturing background. So what all are the manufacturing challenges and what all are the processes by the help of which a startup or a founder can raise fund for their venture. So I'll be talking about that. So before going into the VC firm, I would like to speak on the angel investment round first. Then I will switch on to the VC.
Very nice, Manish. Thanks so much. We look forward to your talk. Let us now know the other side of the story from Karan Verma. Karan is co-founder at FARD Network, an angel network investing in early stage sector agnostic startups. So Karan, what should the audience be looking to hear from you?
So first of all, thank you, Sarita, for the lovely introduction. So I guess apart from informing about the participants and the audience that how we invest and where we invest in, so we would love to also talk about what impresses us in the founders and in the startup before we put in our money through our network and our investors. Yeah. So I guess super excited to meet all the entrepreneurs after a long time physically. And yeah, I'll be happy to share what our thesis is and where we'll be investing in the next 2 years.
Lovely. I think it's going to be very helpful for those who are looking at raising funds from an angel investor. And I think your talk would really enlighten them how to go about it and what should they be doing in their business plans and their models. Thanks so much, Karan. At Finance Mantras for Startup, we have much more to hear, learn and take away. हमारे next speaker हैं CA Anshul Singhal. He is founder of Startup Bazaar. Anshul has worked with big four firms such as Deloitte and PwC, and he has a rich experience of almost 15 years. He's really passionate about startup mentoring. He would also be mentoring few participants in morning mentoring session at the event. Anshul, tell us, what would you like to focus on in your mentoring session?
Thanks a lot for the kind introduction. You would know that startups के लिए सबसे बड़ा pain point होता है कि हमारे income tax का क्या होगा. Income tax is really pinches in the initial years. So आज की date पे more than 40,000 startups have been registered under the Startup India program, but less than 400 have been given the exemption. There is a provision for exemption in Income Tax Act. So what is it that you can do to ensure that yes, you also get this exemption? And what kind of precautions you can take. So I'll share my journey of helping my client in achieving this exemption. So that is what we will focus upon. And probably जो भी और कुछ queries हो सकती हैं, we will try to address them as well.
Wonderful, Anshul. I think there's a lot of gap in terms of information, and as you said, I think there are a lot of startups which have thousands of startups which have got registered. However, they just don't know, what are the schemes and how they can benefit. So I think this exemption thing is a good scheme that they must avail and they should know about it. And we look forward to listening more from you on that and your mentoring as well. So, viewers, Finance Mantras for Startups is certainly an opportunity to learn many secrets of fundraising and managing your finance. What are you waiting for? Time for you to fill out the form given in the link below and get your free invite for physical event for March 20th. Once again, let me also tell the viewers who are unable to attend physically, ensure to catch us live at Startups India Facebook page.